80.5 miles per hour to kilometers per hour. Let's say we write 80.5 miles per hour and we want to convert this to kilometers per hour. This is the way how it's supposed to do. Let me show you. We have 80.5 miles per hour. As you noticed, the unit of time is the same. I have to just change the unit for the distance, miles to kilometers. The conversion factor says that 1 mile is equal 1.61 kilometers. That's why I'm going to multiply my original value by 1 mile in the denominator and 1.61 kilometers in the numerator. Why I put miles in the denominator? Because I want to eliminate this mile. So take a look what will happen. Mile and mile will cancel out. Next, I'm supposed to perform the multiplication, and I'm going to have 80.5 times 1.61 kilometers over hour. This is equal 129.6 kilometer per hour. In other words, 80.5 miles per hour is equivalent to 129.6 kilometer per hour. This is the solution to my problem.